Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in Xenia wallet new campaign started name as chat 3 and I will provide you all the answers of the question. So first of all click on mission button. Here you see chat 3 campaign. Scroll down, quiz started and total 10 questions and I will provide you all the 10 answers correctly. First of all click on start quiz. Quiz number 1, option number 2 is the correct answer. Click on it and click submit. Here you see I earned 100 gems. Now campaign or quiz number 2 and the correct option is option number 3. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see I again earn 100 gems. Now quiz number 3 and correct option is option number 1. Click on it and click submit. Again I earn 100 gems. Quiz number 4 and correct option is C. Click on it and click submit. Here you see again I earn 100 gems. Quiz 5 and the correct option is again option number 3. Click on it and click submit. Again I earn 100 gems as a correct. Quiz number 6 and correct option again option number 3. Click on it and click submit. Again earn 100 gems. Now quiz number 7 and the correct option number 4. Click on it and click submit. Again correct option. Now quiz number 8 and the correct option number 2. Click on it and click submit button. Again I earn 100 gems as a correct. Now quiz number 9 and the correct option is option number 3. Click on it and click submit button. Again 100 gems as a correct. Now the last quiz number 10 and the correct option is option number 1. Click on it and click submit. Here you see again 100 gems as a correct option and also earn 1000 gems as complete chat 3 campaign and answer all the questions correctly. So hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.